Hey budgeting friends, welcome to this video. And if you are wondering what this is all about, you have clicked on the SISTA SISTA edition of cash stuffing. So my sister has planned to go to Tomorrowland music festival. So for those who don't know, it's a big festival held in Europe, and it is like a weekend long festival, and her and her partner are planning to go to this once in a lifetime chance or experience next year. So she has been watching my journey with my budgeting, and she's like, sis, please can you help me save for this trip of a lifetime? So that is what I'm doing for her. Now with this money, she will be giving me $1,000 every 2 weeks, and I will be stuffing it for her. So I'm just going to make a cash envelope stuffing segment for her. And for those who are curious about Tomorrowland, those young people oh my goodness, or even just to kind of pretty much be curious as to how much to stuff for Europe in general. So she's going for, I think, a month or two. No, she's going for 2 months. So we will be helping her stuff her Europe trip. So I've created these trackers, and I've got a binder for her, so I will stuff as we go, and we will talk about it more. So this I don't have enough like sticker space and also stickers for writing Tomorrowland, so I'm just gonna call it T-Land. And these are for the tickets. So let me quickly grab the tracker, and this is just to help me keep on track with how many payments before she leaves. So I've got, I think, enough on each tracker, so it just helps me count down and how much I need to stuff before that last tracker runs out. So T-Land, and I've also added butterflies. I just love butterflies. Such a great symbol, they're beautiful, but they were caterpillars and then they became a beautiful thing. So Tomorrowland will be getting $300, so $51.50 and 300. So let's count together. 51, 52, 53. So $300. And I did ask her if I was able to stuff this for you guys, and she said yes, and I can talk about it to you guys, and she said yes. So we have done Tomorrowland tickets, $300. T-Land clothes, so anything that she needs to buy for her clothing. How cute are they? Little shoes. She'd probably wear these to the festival for like a couple of hours, and then yeah, she'll probably take it off. So I've budgeted $100 for this pay. So her clothes. And these are just rough estimates that I have researched myself. I don't know if that's what I do talk to her about it, but she's given me the rein on pretty much what to do with her savings, I call it, or her Europe trip money. So yeah, she fully trusts me because she sees how I am with my own budget. So Tea Land food and merch. So she wants to buy merchandise because it is a once in a lifetime experience, and I've dedicated $50 for it. So flights, that's the tracker. How cute are they? So flights will be getting $150. So 50, 150, 150. Transportation. So I've budgeted $150, 51.50. And for those who are watching, if you guys have any input as to how much you guys have spent there, or how much you guys budgeted, yeah, let me know in the comments below. Or even what I'm missing with stuffing this binder. Accommodation, I don't have enough room, so a comm will do. So $150. So 51.50, $150. And I think this is for her Europe accommodation, not her Tomorrowland. I think Tomorrowland accommodation will be included in the tickets section. So 150 there. And spending, you gotta have all the different butterflies because it's crazy. Like, she will be spending so much money in Germany. I mean, not in Germany, in Europe. So I've definitely have a lot more tickets, a lot more trackers. So that is a goal that I want to stuff for her. So $100. So we are done stuffing her Europe trip binder, the SISTA SISTA Edition. And this will be ongoing until she goes to her Europe trip. Let me know in the comments below if you had an experience going to Tomorrowland or even going to Europe. And yeah, help a sister out. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoyed that stuffing. It's a short one, but it will progress. You will see this money just fill up because she is dedicated, and I'm dedicated to helping her. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.